Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Health benefits of drinking black tea. Research shows that drinking black tea promotes heart health. Black tea packs a punch when it comes to heart health, reduces the risk of stroke, improves focus, lowers blood sugar levels, decreases the risk of some cancers. Much. Unlike other teas, black tea contains caffeine, about 50 to 90 milligrams per cup. Too much caffeine can leave you anxious, restless, and unable to sleep. To avoid over-caffeinating yourself, keep your daily caffeine intake under 400 milligrams. Health benefits of cardamom. It aids digestion, freshens breath, balances blood sugar levels, lowers blood pressure, helps treat bronchitis, acts as a stimulant improving circulation, helps manage diabetes. For upset stomach, intestinal gas, runny nose, and as an expectorant to increase protective cough, as a diuretic to increase urine flow, and as an appetite stimulant. Women use anise to increase milk flow when nursing, start menstruation, treat menstrual discomfort or pain, trouble sleeping, insomnia, asthma and constipation. Presence of magnesium in jaggery may help reduce stress and relax muscles. Presence of calcium in jaggery may help in improving bone health. It may purify blood and help in managing diseases like jaundice. The presence of zinc and other minerals in jaggery may help in boosting immunity.